Welcome from the heart of Munich at Café Datenschutz. Today at a café discussing the topic, what is a deletion concept according to the GDPR? What should I, as a company, consider when making it? Find out more in today's video. Before we address the question of how to construct a deletion concept in practice in the second part, let us briefly touch on the legal framework. The GDPR does not include the concept of deletion concepts, which may be surprising to some. There is no legal definition of the deletion concept in the General Data Protection Regulation. In the Directory of Processing Activities, what it is and how to build it is explained. Here is the link in the description. But the obligation to record deletion deadlines based on data categories. The deletion concept can be understood as all the descriptions from my directory of processing activities, specifying the data categories I need to delete and the deadlines. Additionally, there exists a DIN standard with a link provided in the description below that puts forth a proposal on how to structure a concept for deletion. Initiate deletion concept by outlining data protection requirements your organization must adhere to regarding deletion and retention obligations you need to consider. The concept of data protection should also differentiate between the physical destruction of data, specifically paper documents, for example in the personnel department, and the electronic processing, storage, and deletion of data. Similarly, in the deletion concept, you should address the handling of data deletion in backups and archives. This was specifically requested for in data protection audits by the supervisory authorities. And then the core, a list of data categories that you process, the accompanying deletion deadlines, ideally providing the data storage location, the type of data deletion, and the control process to verify if the data has been deleted as required by applicable regulations and guidelines. For all of this, we also provide our clients with a template. None are useless. He is still able to serve as a bad example. And now let's proceed to the conclusion. The concept of deletion is not explicitly defined in the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The Directory of Processing Activities provides a differentiated listing of deletion deadlines based on different data categories. So it can be understood as a collection of all the descriptions from the Directory of Processing Activities regarding data deletion, based on data categories. And last but not least, there is a DIN standard that provides a proposed structure for the deletion concept in practice. What else has happened in data protection? The Irish Data Protection Authority has fined Meta. In total, almost $1 billion in fines have been imposed over the course of the past 14 months. This time, it was about the failure to comply with the obligation to create privacy-friendly default settings. Link in description. Thank you for watching.